Kip up, bouncing back with style. Hey everyone, in today's video, we're diving into an interesting English phrase, kip up. Have you ever heard of it? Well, by the end of this video, not only will you understand its meaning but you'll also learn how to use it correctly in conversations. Let's get started. The term, kip up, actually originates from the world of gymnastics and martial arts. It's a move where someone lies on their back and then, using strength and momentum, springs up to their feet in one quick motion. Cool, right? However, when it comes to everyday English, kip up isn't always used to describe this athletic move. It's sometimes used figuratively to talk about bouncing back from a setback or difficulty. For example, if someone quickly recovers from a minor problem, you might hear someone say, "Wow, you really did a kip up there." Now that we know what it means, let's look at some examples to see how kip up can be used in everyday conversations. 1. After the fall, he did a kip up and continued his performance. 2. I was impressed by how she managed to kip up after facing such criticism. 3. Don't worry about him. He always kips up no matter what challenges come his way. Notice that you can use kip up as a noun, like in the first example, or as a verb, as in the second and third examples. There you have it. Kip up is not just a cool athletic move but also a versatile phrase you can use to talk about bouncing back from challenges. The next time you see someone recovering quickly from a setback, you'll know exactly what to say. Hope you found this video informative, and remember, life is all about how quickly you can kip up from your falls. See you in the next video.